guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Coco Mama. In case you see my video for the first time, thank you very much. I love you so much. I thank all my friends, my well-wishers, my returning subscribers. And today I don't want to waste much of our time as usual. That my logo be that, but I can know this if I can't waste plenty of our time. It depends on if the matter get belle. If you get belle, you must born pikin for this place without operation, because our mouth dey wear pampers. Except you no get belle, we go leave am make you go get belle come. So today wetin I wan talk na the one make I see for news say the leader of APC, Bola Tinubu, na no one, the founder of APC, this man now don dey attack Obasanjo, say Obasanjo na him bring Nigeria to this level. Say Obasanjo na make Nigeria feel rich like this. Now say kpakam water don pass garri. No say when small pikin no see who talk to them or who train am, e go learn from him friends. So wey that Tinubu, Bale, Oga sir, as for big man you be, I go respect you small. Big man for your age. But they pay me to see elderly people, maybe say they go dey talk without, they need to put 1 + 1 together to reason and say na 2. Okay, fine and good. Obasanjo na him bring us to this level where we dey. Then waiting APC from 2015 stroke this year more day. Waiting then do to remove us from the mess where Obasanjo put us, according to you, Mr. Bola Tinubu. Una just Nigeria's leader, Nigeria politicians, una just like to dey blame. Okay, fine and good, Obasanjo don fuck up. Waiting this government now don't do to arrange the fuck up me Obasanjo don put for ground. Now just to dey blame. Una blame Goodluck Jonathan. Recent one may just come out. Una dey blame Obasanjo may don come out how many years before Goodluck Jonathan. Una no wan blame una self, maybe say una don neglect una work, una responsibility wey una supposed to do as a APC government, the winning government, the winning party. May una be una, instead of una to find as una wan put things in order, una dey find people wey una wan begin blame. Very soon now una go wake Abacha for grave, begin dey blame am for Nigeria failure. This APC government, una be the worst for the history of this country. The only thing may APC go say they don't achieve since they come power, since 2015 may APC came into power, now only Fulani S-men, the killings, that one I don't try women, they don't kill so many souls for that country, including pregnant women and children. Maybe say another country no go tolerate that kind of thing. That is nothing, maybe say a forbidden thing. But Fulani S-men do want to Nigerians, peaceful Nigerians, harmless Nigerians, just because of Boko Haram and Fulani S-men, na brother to Buhari, APC. And now you as the leader, instead of you to caution Buhari, instead of you to talk sense into Buhari head as the leader of the founder of that party, you allow Buhari and a colleagues them to spoil this your party, give your party blood-sucking name. Me they call this APC. Instead of you to amend and correct and talk senses into all these people, may they head one political party or the other. That is one maybe senator have been a governor been. Instead you to as a chairman, as a founder, as a leader of APC, instead of you to talk sense inside their head. But in a old man like you supposed to understand on a language, and I know we understand young people us like this. Old people wanna be. You begin to find people where you won't blame. Now, Obasanjo brought us to this level where we are. Fine and good. But what have APC done since 2015 to remove us from this condition that Obasanjo brought us into? What have you people done? Nothing. Instead, you keep blaming the former president, laying blames, apportion blames on them just because of your failure, just because this party APC 2015 stroke this year 2018 that we have now, you guys have failed woefully. Try and caution your party try and caution all the people involved in this APC party, because una don fail Nigeria 100%. No good road, nothing to achieve, nothing. I no go even blame una as the leaders, so-called leaders, because una no see anything wrong with Nigeria, just because una get everything more than as una want. Then make una no go see why so many people dey cry say things no better. Una go dey wonder why we dey cry, because really nothing dey affect una for that country. Una dey get everything like this. Why the masses, the people may carry una reach that level, una just neglect them, leave them to die, leave them to perish on their own. This is the time una supposed to fix this country. Instead of una to fix am now, una begin dey fight una sef. APC that they fight on herself. They blame people. They blame all the dead politicians, all the dead former presidents. Now they begin, they blame all of them. Now Obasanjo be the problem right now. Obasanjo was the one that brought us into this problem. Obasanjo now brought us to this present condition where we dey. Wetin una don do to remove us from this problem? May Obasanjo come give us. I mean, I won't begin to blame all the presidents they go, including the ones wey don die. Time when I go take face the country. Oga Tinubu, why you just come dey blame Obasanjo when you supposed to blame Buhari for Fulani ends? You no blame am. Boko Haram, you no blame am. Insecurity, you no blame am. You no fit call your national chairman in order, Oshomole, that make they do like small pikin. You no fit call am in order, talk to am, put sense for him head, say no be senator him be, make he leave senators to decide on wetin they wan do with Saraki case. Instead you just grant press conference, just grant them interview. The interview, wetin you go get to talk now. Obasanjo was the one that brought Nigeria to this present failure make we dey now. And you people you inherit the country from, maybe from Obasanjo, from Jonathan, but you still they go back, they blame Obasanjo, may don't leave Nigeria for una hand since 90 kokoro. Una blame Buhari, Jonathan, they blame they come. Wetin una do to fix all these things? May una don't they blame people they come. Wetin una do? Instead, una buy guns, share them for all the Fulani experts, make them keep people finished for that country. Now only those things now una don't achieve. Una really achieved, if not for that one, for Fulani experts to destroy the country, una really 100% una achieve that one well. Apart from that, waiting this APC government don't achieve. The 5,000 money I go give all the graduates, maybe even all the citizens, or maybe say another country they pay their citizens every month. Maybe say if Nigeria government pay for only 1 year, then go wreck, then go the hungry go kill everybody for day. Giant of Africa, when they go borrow money, instead of not to use the money, now go use the name of now one go do lights, borrow money, carry the money, share them for ourselves and family. They keep we for debt, for problems upon problems. Wetin una do? Only to borrow money share. You dey blame this government and blame Obasanjo. The way una neglect insecurity area, may una let Fulani herdsmen now don dey dance away lokomba with gun for afternoon. They use gun, they threaten people anyhow. Wetin una do to stop those ones? Because una want to use them as una political talks 2019. Let me